Do cows really eat meat? Have you ever seen a cow eating a burger? You might have actually seen this if you've been to a county fair or a farm that allows visitors, because some farmers will feed their cows burgers, hot dogs, donuts, and other human foods. But when cows are out to pasture or on a normal farm, what do they really eat? Are they plant eaters, or do they eat meat? Cows are obviously not carnivores, since we don't see them hunting or eating each other. Protein is important for helping their bodies grow and stay strong. It helps their muscles grow, and it helps their bones stay healthy. Their diet of grass and plants provides most of the protein that they need, but sometimes they need a little extra protein in their diet. This is why farmers often give their cows special food made from things like soybean meal, corn gluten meal, or other high-protein foods. Even if cows were allowed to roam freely, which they shouldn't be for safety reasons, they would never catch and eat another cow, horse, or deer. This helps the cows stay healthy and produce lots of milk or meat for us to eat. Even though cows are big and strong, they are gentle herbivores who only eat plants. Now, you know what cows eat, but did you know how much water they drink? Click here to learn about how much water cows drink every day. Or click here to learn about where your food comes from. If a cow doesn't eat enough, it will lose weight and be less productive. It can also become sick or even die. That's why farmers monitor their cows closely and make sure they have plenty of food to eat at all times. So this rules out the possibility of them being carnivores or omnivores. This means that they spend a lot of time eating. An adult cow can eat up to 50 pounds of food in one day. This adds up to around 18 tons of food per year. If there isn't enough grass or plants for the cows to eat, they may starve. Farmers need to make sure that their cows always have access to food, especially during the winter months when there is less vegetation and the temperatures drop. When there is no grass, cows will eat hay, which is dried grass that has been cut and put up in a barn for the winter. They'll also eat silage, which is a fermented mixture of plants such as corn, alfalfa, and grasses. Sometimes cows get a special treat of something called a mineral block, which is a block of minerals that the cows can lick. These blocks usually contain sodium, phosphorus, potassium, and other essential nutrients that the cows need to stay healthy. The most obvious thing that cows eat is grass, but they also eat many other plants. The scientific name for this is plants, which includes things like grass, hay, shrubs, herbs, flowers, and trees. Cows can eat over 130 different kinds of plants. They usually prefer the leaves and new growth of plants, but they will also eat the stems and sometimes the roots. And while they won't eat meat, they will eat eggs and insects. Many of these are mixed in with their food when they reprocessed into animal feed at a processing plant. When cows are out to pasture, they spend their days looking for food. In addition to eating grass, cows also need to eat protein. Farmers are careful to make sure that their cows eat a balanced diet. So the next time you see a cow, remember that it is a vegetarian, which means it only eats plants.